Hi guys, I'm Abby.
And I'm Keith, and welcome to our 80s life.
Back in the 80s, I made all of these tapes, and I want to share them with you guys, but I need a way to digitize them.
We bought this product called Digit Now on Amazon, and it's a Bluetooth transmitter for cassette tapes. So we're going to unbox it and give it a try. The Digit Now costs $34.99, and we'll link it below if you're interested in buying one. All right, let's open it up and see what's in there.
Okay.
Okay, we have some headphones. This looks like some type of plug for your computer. And the actual cassette recorder. Or player, I guess.
Pretty basic. It looks like a little Walkman. It's got fast forward, rewind, and play. And then on the side, there's an eject button and a volume. You can plug in headphones if you like and use it as a Walkman, but that's not what we are going to do with it.
So it either runs on batteries, which you put two AA's in here, or there is an input for your DC power right there.
All right, so we put some batteries in this.
All right, so we ready to put a tape in?
Yeah, let's listen to a little
Let's throw in some Milli
Vanilli.
Vanilli.
Girl, you know it's true.
Ooh, ooh.
Okay.
All right.
All right, now what?
Okay, so now we got to pair the device. So we're going to pair it with our Rodecaster here.
Okay, so this is the Rodecaster that we use for our podcast.
Okay. So right now, what you want to pay attention to is this little dot right here, which right now is
not blinking.
So we're going to go ahead and set this as discoverable.
Okay. All right. So now it says it's discoverable.
Okay. So then we're going to push play on here, and
it's blinking fast.
Blinking fast.
And I hear it.
Girl, you know it's true.
It worked. That is so cool.
This device is pretty cool.
So why would somebody want to buy this? What else can you do with it? Like,
Well,
what's the purpose of it?
Well, you can listen to it like a regular Walkman, and there's a input for your headphones on there, so you can listen to it that way. But most likely, if you had a Bluetooth device and you had some tapes that you wanted to listen to through that device, you could use this. Or if you want to do like we're going to do is, we're going to play it through a Bluetooth device where we can record the audio off of here and get it digital. So
we'll make it into an MP3 file and we can share it with you guys. Wait until y'all hear some of my fun tapes that I made in the 80s. I'm actually really excited. I haven't listened to these in a long time. I'm sure they'll be ridiculous.
I can't wait.
So stay tuned to hear some of these treasures, and we will see you soon.